Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Mahmood. How to create JazzCash account? JazzCash is a phone mobile fundamental service offered by Jazz, a telecommunication company in Pakistan. It allows users to perform various financially transaction including send and receiving money, paid bills and more. To a JazzCash account, follow the steps. Step 1, download the JazzCash app. You can download the JazzCash mobile app from the Google Play Store for Android device or uh, Apple App Store for iOS device. Step 2, install and open the app. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open it on your mobile device. Step 3, select language and region. Choose for perform English and region. Step 4, registration for new account. Click on registration or sign up button to start the registration process. Provide your phone mobile number that is registered with your Jazz SIM card. Step 5, verification code. You will receive verification code on your mobile number. Is a SMS. Enter the code in the app verification your phone number. Step 6, create a PIN. Set up short 4 to 6 digit PIN, personal identification number that you will use for access your JazzCash account. Step 7, personal information. You will need to provide some personal information, include your name, NIC, computerized national identify card number and date of birth. Step 8, create account. After provide to required information, create your JazzCash account. Step 7, biometric verification optional in Pakistan. You may be promoted to perform biometric verification at a JazzCash agent or P to enhance the security of your account. Step 10, access your account. Once your account is created and verified, you can log into the JazzCash app using your phone number and PIN you created. Step 11, step up additional security. Jazz offer feature like biometric login and transaction authorization for added security. You can enable this feature in the app settings. Step number 7, explore JazzCash service. You will know you user JazzCash account send. You will be ऊपर चली जाओ receive money, pay bills, talk on phone, create, make online purchases and more. Please note that the specific steps features may have depend on updates and JazzCash app not often. Make sure to follow the instructions, productive app to concerning official JazzCash website. Customization support you the latest information. Mm, Thank you visiting my YouTube channel.